everyone, Nut Free Mama here. Today I'm going to show you how to make broccoli salad. Alright, let's start off with our ingredients. First we have 20 ounces of broccoli florets, and we have a little bit of cauliflower in there too, and those are chopped just to bite-sized pieces, just however you want to chop them. Then we are going to use a 10-ounce container of cherry tomatoes, and we'll probably quarter those or half them. That again is up to you. We have a red onion that we sliced into small little pieces, probably going to use half of that. Some creamy Italian dressing, and you probably won't use the whole container, again that is to taste. Some of the real bacon bits. This is a 3 ounce, and you will use the whole thing. Some green olives, and we are going to just slice those up and put the whole thing in there. And then about 4 ounces of the cheddar cheese or more for taste. And I'm going to show you real quick how I chopped up my onions so thin. Alright, so to chop your onions so fine, first you just want to do lengthwise cuts like this. As many as you want, as thin as you want. Don't cut your fingers. Go all the way to the end. And then you want to do the other side, the width. Same thing. Just cut them all like this. And then you want to turn your onion to the side. I guess I can turn it. Oh, I can't really turn it to that side. There we go. And then you just want to cut. And then you've got these nice little slices. Now we put everything in a big bowl. We probably used about a cup of the dressing so far, but we're going to just see what it tastes like and maybe add some more. So now I'm just going to stir it with a big spoon and then shake it. Alright, I just put my lid on there and I gave it a few big huge shakes. Make sure your lid's on there tight. And it is ready to go into the refrigerator for at least 1 hour or more, just until you're ready to serve it. There you have it. Alright, my broccoli salad is all ready. It's been in the refrigerator for an hour, so I'm going to eat it up. This just isn't Taste Tester's cup of tea. So I hope you liked the video, and it is a keto-friendly recipe. We'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.